Hey Joyce, it's Cindy. I've been meaning to make the video that you asked me to do. Not really sure what you're wanting, but this is what we were talking about in class. So, if you have a Schoology open, here's what I do. So, I open up my class and I think about what I want my students to see. So, this is the folder that I have for next week, and you can see it's grayed out. I'm going to have it published at 8 o'clock on Monday morning. So when they open it up, I always color code my days of the week the exact same. Monday's one color, Tuesday's always the same, trying to be as consistent as I am. I have, when the week is done, I pull it down into previous weeks, and you can see all of the previous weeks below. And again, every week looks exactly the same. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So if you want to add anything to your folder, so if you set up yours Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, if you can do it two different ways, right up here where it says add materials, or go where you want it, hover there, and you'll see the dotted line. When you click, then you see the exact same thing that's up here. So add a folder, which is what those are, just like a manila folder on your desk where you put stuff in. You can add an assignment. That would be something that you would have to grade, or Schoology can grade. A test, a quiz, an assessment. The things I use most often are pages. So let's say I wanted to add a page. A page is just like ripping a page out of the notebook. So you have to give it a title. So you might say, watch this video. And then here you would click on whatever, the video. The way that I do videos is I go up here and I open YouTube. I find something that I want to add. So like, let's say the Stamp Act. If I find something, if I like it. So like I said, I'll end up probably deleting this, but if I find something that I like, here's the share button. Click share. You've got lots of choices. Always in Schoology, you want to embed. Embed just means they have to stay in Schoology. They're not actually going to YouTube. They're watching the video on that page. So I've embedded it. I need to copy that. Click copy. Go ahead and close out. Now go back over here. Go to this page right up here. Insert content. You click insert content. I want to insert media. What am I doing? I'm getting it from the web. It's media. And then I'm going to, right click and paste. That's that embed code that I just got, and you insert it. It looks yellow right now. And then create. And so now you've got a page that when you open it up, it's got that, and they don't actually leave Schoology. They don't have to go to YouTube. They just watch it right there. So adding a page is really, really cool. The other thing that I do is discussion posts. But again, whatever you decide you want to add, you can add materials here, or you can add them right in wherever you want it. But the ones that I use the most are add page, add discussion, and add folders. All right, let me know what else you might need. Talk to you later. Bye.